sit?
Yes, please sit down.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
This is my file, sir.
Thank you. Anything?
Alright, before we start our session, we would like to introduce ourselves first. My name is Muhammad Mizuddin and I will be your interviewer today. And this is my partner.
Yes, I am Metellus, your panel today.
Can you introduce yourself more to us?
Of course, my name is Hubert. I recently completed my diploma in electrical engineering. I have basic experience from my internship, where I learned about wiring, attendance, and safety procedure. I'm very interested for this field, and I'm looking forward to learning more, working with his Berkat company.
Alright, thank you. So, why do you want to work as an electrical technician at Berkat East Senibahak?
Thank you for the question, sir. I'm passionate working with electrical system, and I enjoy to fixing a thing, electrical thing, and making sure the work safely and efficiently. I see East Berkat is a very strong company that I can grow with, and I can be a part of successful on your team, sir.
Alright. Hubert, what are your strengths?
What I have a strength, I have hardworking. I also a fast learner. I pay a close attention for the safety, because safety are very important when on the wiring cycle. I always to try and complete my task with a quality and the discipline, especially when I'm working with the electrical part, where safety are very important.
Your explanation is very well, but now I have to ask you, what is your weakness?
Okay, thank you, sir, for that question. My weakness is sometimes I get nervous when starting something new, but I learn to ask questions and learn from my team. I'm improving by building more confidence through the practice and teamwork with your company is Berkat.
Alright, Hubert. I want to ask some questions about electrical. Can you explain how to use a multimeter?
Multimeter is used to check a voltage, current, and resistance. It always make sure the meter is set a correct mode before make a testing. Such as you want to test check a voltage, you need use a correct mode. It help me diagnose electrical problem like a short circuit or open wire safely.
So, in your resume, you already have experience on the wiring, right? In your internship. Okay, I want to ask you, what will you do if a circuit keep tripping?
When I face this situation, the first thing I will do is keep the area is safely, and the second one I will make sure that DB off a short circuit, and then I will report to my supervisor for the suggest proper repair.
Hubert, what do you know about our company?
I know that Berkat is SDN BSD is a well-respected electrical company that handles wiring installation and maintenance for homes and factories. I admire the way your team works with safety professionalism.
Okay. Thank you for your answer.
Okay. Now, tell me, why should we choose you?
I'm committed, willing to learn, and give a full focus at my task. I will take responsibility seriously, and I want to become a reliable technician that your company can depend on for the long term. Okay.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I hope get more certification like PW4 or Trustman license and become a senior technician or supervisor. I want to grow with the company and support junior team members too.
Right.
Do you have any question for us?
I'd like to know if Berkat is offer the support for the virtual training or certificate in future. I was very interesting to continue develop my skill with the company is Berkat.
Before we go through to your resume, I would like to ask you some question about work. If you are working on site and suddenly the manpower trips, what will you do?
The first thing I will do is I will make sure the area is safely. The second thing is I will keep the area from the other people because they are dangerous, just like light circle, open light circle. Then I will inform to my supervisor to repair the problem.
Alright, thank you.
Alright, so next question from me. What if one day, if you see your friends or someone else is working without using PPE inside, so what will you do?
What will I do?
Yes.
What will I do is I will politely remind him and remind him about safety rule. If he still refuse, I will inform to the supervisor. It's important to take care to each other because on the electrical field there are very important safety. They are dangerous. They are one small mistake can cause a serious accident.
Good. Good answer.
Thank you, Hubert. That's the end of your interview. Do you have anything else to say?
I have no question. I will say just thank you for the Mr. Methodius and Mr. Muis. I really appreciate this chance and I hope to be a part of Berkat's team soon. I'm ready to give my best.
Alright, thanks for coming today. So, if you are absent for the job, we will notify you with email or our HQ will call you.
Thank you, sir.